The best traditional Chinese herbs for glowing skin. In traditional Chinese medicine, the health of our skin is closely related to our overall health. It's important to maintain balance within oneself and the 5 elements. A part of this balance includes eating healthy, getting enough rest, and exercising regularly. Certain Chinese herbs can also support skin health. Shisandra berries promote smoother-looking skin. Goji berries. They are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Both are known to fight skin damage. Pearl powder. Amino acids found in pearl powder support the production of collagen and promote hydration. Long-ons. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and other nutrients, thought to improve skin health. Horsetail. The plant is high in vitamins A and C, which can help improve skin tone and fight skin inflammation. Follow Apothecure for your dose of wellness.